Good afternoon. So since they already mentioned you all, I will dispense with the mentioning you one by one once again. So to everyone, we'll just give you a short history of, although ARDs have already mentioned a little background of our IPACABSAT. So let me just expound a little bit. So for those who do not know yet, as I mentioned a while ago, the word IPACABSAT is actually a portmanteau of an acronym. So the first few letters, IPACABSAT, is coined from the 6 regions, or rather the 6 provinces of the region, namely Ifugao, that's for the I, and Mountain Province, MP. We also have the province of Abra, province of Kalinga, and for the letter B, we have Benguet and the city of Baguio. And then we completed the word with the word Kabsat, which is the Ilocano equivalent of the word kinship. So when I call you Kabsat, is actually calling you brother or sister. So it was conceptualized in the 1990s after the 1990 killer earthquake, which left the city of Baguio and other provinces in the region in shambles. So the first round of the IPACABSAT served as a platform and opportunity for our kids to recover and restart from the destruction. It was initiated and supported by the Cordillera Association of Regional Executives, or we call it in short as CARE. So as the years went by, the project evolved from a mere trade fair to a celebration and exposition of upland culture, as well as tourism and investment potential of the region. It has turned into a hallmark of the indigenous manufacturing industry. So for nearly 2 decades, IPACABSAT has found its home in Alabang, and we have cherished every moment we were there. But this year, we're embarking on an exciting new chapter in our commitment to expand our reach and make the best of the Cordilleras even more accessible. We are thrilled to conduct IPACABSAT 2025 right here at Shangri-La Plaza in Mandaluyong City. This strategic move signifies our dedication to growth and our desire to connect our talented entrepreneurs with a wider market, bringing the unique ingenuity of the Cordilleras closer to you. This year's theme, Flavors and Colors, aims to showcase the vibrant tapestry and diverse culinary traditions of Cordillera region's cultural and creative identity to our 30 participating exhibitors. The theme, together, the gastronomic delights, handcrafted masterpieces, textiles, designs, all representing the rich heritage and contemporary style of our communities. So, IPACABSAT is more than just a trade fair. It's a celebration of culture, resilience, and entrepreneurship. It is also a platform where traditions meet modernity and where hard work translates into beautiful, high-quality products. We encourage you to engage with our exhibitors here, learn about their crafts, and discover the stories behind their creations. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our partners, Shangri-La Plaza, the local government units, the Cordillera Line agencies, our DTI head offices, and most especially to our MSMEs for their passion and creativity. They are the heart of IPACABSAT. Thank you for continually pushing boundaries and for sharing the best of the Cordilleras in the world. So to our buyers, thank you for your continued support. Your patronage directly empowers our communities and fuels the growth of our regional industries. We anticipate your active participation in this year's fair. We have a vibrant program ahead, including fashion shows, skills demonstrations, and interactive activities, ensuring that there's something for everyone. So let us make the 33rd IPACABSAT a resounding success. May this fair open new opportunities, forge stronger connections, and further elevate the incredible products of the region. Thank you and good afternoon to all.